Today is day 31 of our homeschool lesson plan. Let me show you what we're doing. It is a science and art day today. If you're new, I use the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, including one of the science lessons. This is the little hearts and hands, and we chose the sparks and stars. We are on lesson 6, which is about magnets. For supplies needed, you need a magnet, and then you also need a magnet with opposing sides. I didn't want to buy a magnet for this, if I'm being completely honest. I was going over this and planning. I did remember that we have train cars that have a front and a back magnet, and the two backs will not attach and the two fronts will not attach, so they are in fact opposing magnets. So that's what I'm going to use as our example to show what we need to here. Opening, there's an experiment using the different kinds of magnets with different items, and also talking about the opposing sides of the magnets. And then on this side there's a paper that we can just put if the item that we tried is magnetic or non-magnetic. And then there's always discussion questions over here to talk about like basically what we did to make sure that they comprehend what's happening. And then for art today, since we are getting closer to Halloween, we are going to do a candy, why did I just forget what this is called? I almost called it a candy cane, a candy corn craft. So I printed out the shapes, and they're going to use sponges to sponge paint the correct colors here, and then after it's dry I'll cut it out so it's just the shape of the candy corn. That'll be really cute. That's everything for day 31.